Too tired to cook? Too hungry to skip dinner? Let's make this 5-ingredient seasoned rice. 5 ingredients, 1 beautiful dish. So we have our smoked turkey sausage, vegetables, rice, 4 eggs, and green onions. Let's get started. Start our dish by adding some neutral oil. Then we're going to add our sausages. I'm gonna let those brown a bit. If your sausage is nice and browned. Now the sausage is browned, I'm going to add some veggies. Now we're going to add some rice. Now we're going to add a Sazón packet. I'm going to scramble the eggs. I'm going to add our scrambled eggs, and then we're going to fold it in. We have our green onions, so I'm just going to toss that in. Fold it. Let's plate this up. I'm gonna make sure I get some sausage, eggs, green onions. Let's taste it. It's so hot. So good. What I like is that bite of the green onion with everything in there. It's just so good. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, comment, share, and subscribe with your friends and family. And I'll see you in the next video. All right, now we'll have Bosi take a bite. Take a bite, Mama. How is it?
Good.
Good? You give me a thumbs up? Is it bussin'?
Mm-hmm.
All right, say bye.
Bye-bye.